Hello everyone, welcome to English with Ghofran. I am so happy you are here today. This is an A1 English listening practice lesson. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English with me. Today's topic is learning English every day. Many people around the world are learning English. Maybe you are learning English for school. Maybe you need English for your job, or maybe you simply enjoy learning a new language. Every reason is a good reason. Learning English takes time. You can't learn everything in one day. The best way to improve is to practice a little every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes can make a big difference. Some days English feels easy. You understand new words. You remember grammar. You feel happy and confident. But some days are different. You forget words. You can't understand everything. You make mistakes when you speak. That is completely normal. Every English learner has good days and difficult days. Please don't give up. Mistakes are part of learning. When you make a mistake, you can learn something new. The next time you can do better. So, don't be afraid to speak English. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. The important thing is to keep practicing. Now, let me share a few simple tips. Tip number 1, listen to English every day. You can listen to short videos, easy stories, or simple conversations. Listening every day helps your ears become familiar with English. Tip number 2, read about things you enjoy. If you like food, read about cooking. If you like sports, read about sports. If you like animals, read about animals. Learning is more fun when you choose topics you love. Tip number 3, practice speaking. Read sentences aloud. Repeat after English speakers. Talk to yourself if you don't have a partner. Every time you speak, your confidence grows. Tip number 4, learn a few new words every day. Don't try to learn too many words at once. 5 new words each day are enough. Use the words in simple sentences. This helps you remember them. Finally, be patient with yourself. Learning a language is a journey. Simple steps every day bring big results. Believe in yourself, keep learning, keep smiling, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope this lesson helped you improve your English listening. Now, I would love to hear from you. Why are you learning English? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Ghofran, and join me for more easy English lessons. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye!